Good morning, dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to have a lesson about sorting and counting. The last session we have covered measuring time, so today we are going to have a lesson on sorting and counting. I have here, what can you see here in this picture? I have here a tree and three kinds of birds. Okay, what color that has the least birds? What color that has the least birds? So I have here to do what? To count the birds. I have here red birds, blue birds, and yellow birds. Let's count the red birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have here, how many red birds do I have? 6 birds. 6 birds. I have here how many blue birds? Blue birds. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have here 8 blue birds. Then how many yellow birds do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have here 5 yellow birds, 6 red birds, and 8 blue birds. Okay, which color that has the least birds? The least birds. I have here which color? Okay, the yellow color. So the yellow birds, here I have just 5 yellow birds. Which color that has the most birds? Which color that has the most birds on this tree? The blue color. Yeah, I can hear you. Excellent. The blue color. That are 8 birds, miss. Okay. Okay. How many more blue birds than yellow birds? How many more blue birds are there than yellow birds? I first have here the blue birds. They are 8 birds. Okay, minus what? Minus the yellow birds. I have here how many yellow birds? 5. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So the blue birds has 3 more birds than the yellow birds. Now I want you to know that we have here sorting and counting. What does it mean, sorting? Sorting data by counting each group of data together and writing the total of each group in a table. So sorting of data means what? To organize your information. Data means information here. So sorting data means organizing data, organizing information. If you have here, Max sorted his toy cars or organized his toy cars by color before counting. So he organized his cars by color, by color. Okay, here I have how many red cars does Max has? 1, 2, 3, 4. Counted 4. So 4 red cars in all. How many green cars does Max has? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 in all. How many purple cars does Max have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So he has got 7 buses, 7 purple cars in all. If I ask you now a question, which color car does Max have the most? Which color car does Max has at most? Here 7 here, so the answer will be the purple color. The purple color. Which color car does Max have the least? Which color car does Max have the least? 4 or 5? 4. So here it's the red color. So it's here the red color. Bravo. If I ask you a question here, how many purple color does Max have more than the red color? I count first the purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many red colors here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many purple colors more than red colors does Max have? 7 minus 4. So the answer will be 3 cars. So the answer will be 3 cars. The difference between them will be 3 cars. Okay, Kara here for this example, Kara asked some of her friends to name their favorite flower. Write the number of people that chose each flower. I have here 3 kinds of flowers: tulip, rose, lily. Tulip, rose, lily. So for tulip flower, Sunita, Claire, Janet, Fidel. Rose, for the rose flower, Connie, Mrs. Daly. Flora, Mrs. Castro, Ivan, Tara. For the lily flower, Eddie, Grace, Laila. So how many students here that prefer tulip flower? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 people like tulip best. 4 people like tulip best. So how many people here preferred the rose flower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people like rose best. Lily, the lily flower. How many people preferred the lily flower here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 people like lily best. So what do I have here? Clara or Kara sorted, organized the flowers according to what? According to what people chose the best. Which flower did the most people like best? Most people like best what here? As we see, the rose flower. How many more people liked the rose better than the lily? More than means what? Means that I'm going to make what? Subtract. Subtract means minus. I want to know the difference between the people who liked rose than the people they liked lily. So rose here is 6 and lily is 3. 6 minus 3 will give me, after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 3. In this example, sort the crayons. Color one crayon in the chart for each crayon in the picture. I have here number of crayons. I have red crayons, blue crayons, and green crayons. So I want to put the red crayons here in the chart. So I will color just how much red crayons. I have to do what first? To count the number of crayons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I will color 8 crayons. Then here in the blue crayons, I will color how many? I will count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will color here 5 crayons. After that, I count the green. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have 4 green crayons. How many crayons are red? 8. After counting, we will find that it will be 8 red crayons. How many crayons are blue? 5 blue crayons. How many crayons are green? 4 green crayons. How many crayons are there in all? Yes, all. Here I will make plus. We will make plus. 8 plus 5 plus 4. 8 plus 5 plus 4. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here, after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer will be, Miss, 17. What did we do now? 8 plus 5 plus 4. Or we can count all of this, Miss. Right, excellent. So I have here draw and color the crayons in order from the least to most. The least color here will be green, because green has 1, 2, 3, 4 crayons. 4 crayons. Then comes in order the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Miss. So comes the red. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bravo. In your practice book, here I have lesson 7, sorting and counting. I have here, Yuri has a collection of toy cars. Yuri has a collection of toy cars, trucks, and vans. So, sort the toys. Draw a line from each toy to the name of the item below. Okay, below. So, I have here, what kinds of cars do I have? I have cars, trucks, and vans. So, I have here, how many toy cars does Yuri have? If I count here the cars, I will find that there are 6 toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are 6 toy cars. How many toy trucks? If I count them, I will find that there are 3. Okay, this is the toy truck. 1, 2, and 3. How many toy vans? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toy vans. Bravo. Manuela asked her friends about their favorite hobby. Write the total number of people who like each hobby best. Okay, their favorite hobby. So sports, Felix, Frank, Brenda, Nura, Hamid. Watching TV, Kiara, Jamie, Lionel. Video games, Matt, Jeanette, Gavin, Paulo. Okay, how many friends or how many people do they prefer the sports? What should they do now? Yes, Miss, I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of her friends like sports best or prefer sports. Watching TV, 1, 2, 3. 3 people like TV best. Video games, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 like video games best. Which hobby did the most people like best? Okay, here it will be the sports because they have the greatest number of people, so it will be the sports. How many more people like sports best than like sports better than watching TV? So here I'm going to make what? I'm going to make subtract what? Subtract people who like sports minus people who like TV. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So the answer will be 2. 2 people. How many more people like something else better than sports? Better than sports. So here I just do what? Just to do that. Here he says what? How many more people like something else better than sports. I will add all the other activities rather than the sports. Here to add